Hey guys, and welcome to Blog Tip Tuesday, where I share helpful blog tips every single Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your website using Google Search Console. And in next week's video, I'm going to show you how to actually submit your articles to get them indexed faster on Google, and a very cool hack that you may have never even realized that you can do using Google Search Console, where you can find out what keywords people are using to get to your article. So make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on that video. And if you're watching this like 3 weeks from now, I'm going to post that video in the description below just so you can easily access it and check it out. Okay, now before we dig deep in this, I want to make sure that you guys are aware that Google Search Console is not the same thing as Google Analytics. Now, Google Analytics will tell you how much traffic you're getting to your website, but they won't tell you what keywords people are using to get to your articles. That's where Google Search Console comes in. Now, they won't tell you all the keywords that people are using to get to your articles, but they will give you enough information that will be very critical to just improving your articles and just understanding what words people are using when they're getting to your article. So that is why it is so important to have this tool and just understanding how it all works. So let's go ahead and get started on the computer, and I'm going to show you how to verify your domain so you can go ahead and get started. Let's go. Okay, so this is my Google Search Console right here for my current website, Tried and True Mom Jobs. And I'm going to show you how to set it up for a brand new website. Now, I did a video not too long ago of how I actually set up a brand new website just to show you how to actually create a brand new website. And I'm going to show you in this video how I'm going to actually verify that domain name. Now, you see here, if I click right here, I have different variations of my domain name, which is HTTP, which is picking up different information from the one that I currently use, which is HTTPS. So what I'm going to do is show you how to eliminate having these different variations of your domain name and just have one domain name that is going to pick up all the traffic that is coming to your website. So this is going to be very valuable to you guys. I'm going to go down right here to add property, and this is what you're going to do when you're getting set up. So go to add property, and then I'm going to put the new website I created called the starter site.com to verify it. I'm going to go to continue. Now it's going to say to sign in to your domain name provider, for example, GoDaddy.com or Namecheap.com. And just so you guys know, I bought my domain name from Namecheap, but I also directed the name server to my host, which is SiteGround. So I'm going to show you how to actually do this using SiteGround. And I will put in the description below an article that shows you whatever hosting provider you have will give you complete instructions on how to do this. Now, the way I'm going to show you in this video is going to be very similar to whatever hosting provider you probably have, so I think this will be helpful for everyone. So it says to copy the text record below into the DNS configuration for the startersite.com. So I'm going to do this to verify my domain name. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and then I'm going to head over to SiteGround and show you guys how I'm going to verify my domain name. So I'm going to go to login. All right, so once you're signed in, you want to go to websites, and then you can go to site tools, and then you want to go over down to domain, and under that you'll find it says DNS zone editor. And then right here, if you just scroll down a little bit, you will see where it says create new record. You're going to go down right here to text, and then you're going to leave this empty right here. You're going to leave this the same right here, this TTL. And then you're going to just go ahead and paste the verification code that Google Search Console gave you. And then you go to create. And then it says the text record is created. Now we're going to go back to Google Search Console and we're going to say verify. Just going to check that. And ownership is verified. So this is how you can simply verify your website with Google Search Console, and now you can go ahead and start monitoring your organic traffic. Now, if you have a brand new website, remember that it's going to take a while before you start seeing some traction with Google, but this is definitely something that you want to monitor, and I'm going to show you next week on how to actually submit your articles so you can get them indexed a lot faster by Google. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on that video, and a very cool hack that you guys would definitely want to know that will be very helpful down the line. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful to you, and let me know in the comment section if this worked for you. All right, see you guys next week.